Come on, son, get over it. It's all part of the gig. Smoke, Mr. Braithwaite, please. That's it, girls. Hide behind those fans. No faces now, just take the slurs. Give them the old wrinkle tinkle. Out in show them the old kabam. Line up, come sideways, blow their minds out. There's no time for harvest frolics. Grab the boogers by the bollocks. Show them what class is all about. Give them the old razzle-dazzle and shine. Lights! Doesn't matter if you're short or squat. Cerebral challenge completely shot. You might have it or might not.